Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is November 16th. We do have very light trade overnight. Not a lot of volume, but corn finishing the overnight session up 0.5 cents. Beans down 2.5, with wheat down 3.5. So we're still looking at a lot of back and forth trade from here. Still not a lot of news to carry us higher right now, or to give any kind of renewed strength in this market. We know USDA gave us some pretty bearish numbers last week. We're still trying to filter those through on where should we be. Now we're seeing some of the cash markets out there firming up a little bit as basis strengthens, just because producers are not selling anything. You're not going to sell anything at these levels, and you've got the end user right now that is, well, supporting it with the basis, and hopefully going to see some end user buying from that. Maybe we can get a little boost as far as price as well, but there's not a lot of stories out there. When you look at South America right now, still they've gotten some rains in areas that had needed it, but they are a little bit slower as far as bean planting at this time. But still not a big concern for the market yet. We are going to see NOPA crush numbers out today at 11 o'clock. Trade is expecting 161 million bushels. So keep that in mind here as we get closer to that number. Oil stocks expected to be at 1.44 billion compared to 1.35 billion at the end of September. So those are some of the estimates. Look for that out at 11 o'clock. Maybe we'll see the market get a little direction from that. The other thing is that we've got options that are expiring on Friday. So option expiration this coming Friday for December. Probably going to have a larger impact on corn and where that may drag that corn price just to see some options expire. But they will go off the board on Friday. And we might get a little movement just because that's what we typically do when these options go off. So lack of news, though, still looking for something out there. Watch some of these outside markets. What's the dollar doing as far as any kind of market direction as well. Livestock, probably going to start off a little bit lower this morning. We did see cash trade at 130 last week. Box beef, though, coming in quite a bit lower, 250 for choice. Select down 143. We are expecting to see probably a lower start for cattle here this morning. Hogs, a lower start as well. Cutout values dropping 281. We did go up and we tried to keep some strength there on Friday, but we did settle back down a little bit, and probably going to see a little bit weaker opening here yet this morning as far as hogs. Stock market down 35 at this time. You've got crude oil right about unchanged. You've got the dollar up about 8 at this point. So give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. Happy Monday to you guys. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.